In the United States, work on the creation of long-range intercontinental ballistic missiles has been carried out since 1946 as part of the Convair RTV-A-2 Hiroc program. In 1948, several launches of a small prototype of a promising ICBM were carried out, but due to the weak attention of the U.S. Air Force to ballistic missiles, the program was closed. Later, this program served as the basis for the creation of the first American ICBM SM-65 Atlas. The missile with the index SM-65D, after a long series of tests of 3 prototypes, was launched on April 14, 1959, and was put into service in September. This missile, as well as the American Titan, adopted in 1961, were initially placed on unprotected launch complexes, but subsequently began to be deployed first in buried reinforced concrete bunkers SM-65E from 1960, and then in reliably protected SM-65F silos from 1961. Preparing the rockets for launch took from 15 minutes to half an hour. In the Soviet Union, scientific research on the possibility of creating an ICBM began in 1950. In 1953, a draft design of such a missile was ready. In 1954, the direct creation of a rocket with the index R7 was entrusted to OKB-1 under the leadership of Sergei Korolev. The two-stage 7 was capable of delivering 13 megaton nuclear charge over a distance of 8,800 kilometers. Its first successful test after 3 failures took place on August 21, 1957. Since 1954, the main work on the creation of intercontinental ballistic missiles in the USSR was transferred to the newly formed OKB-586 under the leadership of M.K. Yangel. In 1959, the R-12 missile was adopted in the USSR, which became the basis of the created separate branch of the armed forces, the Strategic Missile Forces, and in 1962 the R-16 missile, the modification of which became the first Soviet missile based in a silo launcher and the world's first missile launching from a silo. American SM-65 Atlas were only stored in silos before launching, rising to the surface by an elevator.